Gies has prepared me for my career by offering a curriculum that combines theory with practical application. Courses here go beyond traditional lectures, incorporating case studies and hands-on projects, and collaborating with industry professionals. Through these experiences, I've developed strong problem-solving skills and learned to think analytically and gain confidence to improve my technical abilities, all of which will be invaluable in my future career.
So in business analytics, we are given a project to work on in the business practicum class, and I would say that this has really helped build my project skills as well as my team building skills. The team leader in this particular project has been very insightful, and the work that I do in this project is going to inform a lot of the skills that I adopt and that I pick up for my future career. I've also created deliverables, which is not something that I've done in the past, which is something that I now know how to do. That's something that's also very important for business.
My favorite class is social media strategy, taught by Professor Anton. He's an incredibly knowledgeable person, and the class covers everything from measuring social media ROI to using big data for strategy. It's been amazing to learn practical skills that directly apply to real-world social media management.
Coming all the way from India, I think coming into such a vibrant and dynamic crowd was one of our biggest eye-opener for me, because here we just not study about analytics and machine learning, but we make sure that we apply these things in our business concepts. This whole holistic approach has helped me to understand, or has given me a knack of connecting dots between data and decision making. Well, to be honest, I had a lot of universities in my list, but I specifically chose Gies because it stood out on how it had curated its curriculum. It had a well balance between technical coding skill sets like Python, SQL, R programming, which is very important in the real world, but also it teaches how you are going to use these coding languages and use it in a business form while making decisions, or building a product or service for different companies. And that's one of the main reasons. It was not only about ranking, but also to find a place which felt like a perfect launchpad for my career, especially in a global perspective.
I would like to talk about business practicum course. This course gives you an opportunity to work as consultants for real life companies. For me, I am working on generative AI and IoT platform service for a company, and this has been really a great learning curve for me because I was very interested in this topic, but I had limited experience. I think this course is very beneficial to those who has limited experience in real life working situation, and it can be really hard at first navigating all these projects on your own, but if you really put yourself into it and put much efforts into it, you will get so much beneficial lessons out of it. So I highly recommend.